Hey, what's up technicians, this is Anshan, you are watching Technologist. And so guys, today in this video I will be going to show you the full unboxing of my all new gimbal, that is the Zhiyun Smooth Q gimbal. And before starting the video, please subscribe the red button below my left hand, and you can also follow me on Instagram, the link is mentioned below. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, this is the box of our gimbal. This is the beautiful picture of our gimbal in the box, and here it is a logo of Zhiyun, you can see here. And so come on, let's open the box and take out the gimbal. So as you all can see, I have opened this box and kept it aside, and this is the main box in which our gimbal is kept. So as we open this box, it's looking like we are opening a treasure chest. And you can see this is our box. Inside it, this is the gimbal, and this is the gimbal. Let's keep it aside. We can see a holder like band through which we can hold our gimbal, and let's keep it aside. And here we got a cable from which we can charge the gimbal also. For charging the gimbal, it is for man use, and here you can nothing left. And here is a book type of sort of something that we call it a guide, in which many types of operation instructions are given, how to operate the gimbal and many things. You can pause the video and read these things. So let's keep aside these things and come to our gimbal. And so you can see this is the gimbal. It is wrapped with a polythene. So let's unwrap it, and you can see this is a very beautiful type, very elegant cover, or what we call it, a hard cover. Very beautiful and very elegant and very stylish also. But apart from it, it is for the safety purpose also. And we can attach the band here, these two the band we got, and we can attach here, so we can hang in our neck or in our shoulders. So let's open this cover, and as we open this cover, we can see, as we are opening this cover, you can see here it comes our gimbal, that is the Zhiyun Smooth Q gimbal. You can see this is our gimbal. Wow, what a gimbal, man. I was really astonished to see very much. Wow man, what a gimbal. But the main drawback of this gimbal is that we cannot mount a DSLR camcorder or a point and shoot camera in it, only a mobile phone. That's the most biggest drawback of this gimbal. And it's very much pretty cool, made up of plastic, hard plastic, and what we call it, elegant. So guys, as I have told you, this is the gimbal, and you can see here a whole type of something to mount it on a tripod. And here is the charging point. Here you can charge this gimbal, and it's very pretty good. So let me mount a phone in it. Looks like when you attach your smartphone in this gimbal, and you can see the gimbal is very beautiful and very much elegant, and the smooth and sliding of this gimbal is very much good, yeah. And the build quality is very much good. Even it is not feeling like no sensation, no vibration, nothing. Even I am also not feeling any sensation that I am swinging this, I am doing this. There's no sensation in the, there's no vibration in the camera. So guys, I think that your 11,000 rupees will be going to be worth it in this gimbal. And so guys, this was my video. Hope you all liked it. And first of all guys, I wanted to tell you that this video is not sponsored by any of the company. It was my personal experience. I have purchased this gimbal, so I have given you the review about this gimbal. So hope you all liked it. If liked it, please hit the like button up and stay tuned. Till then, Jai Hind.